What was your primary motivation for participating in the event?
So ang motivation ko para pumasok sa Intrams is yung vlog namin. Kasi kailangan namin mag-vlog during Intrams dahil sa prelim namin sa Phil 1. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you. Morning po. In what ways did you fulfill your duty in What personal sa akin is para ma-inspire o ma-motivate yung mga players sa each time na nagkaroon sila ng lakas ng loob na
kasi happy ko to, tsaka si ano din, si Crush.
personal values or beliefs inspire you sila?
So, actually kasi, nung nag-enter ako ng college, hindi ako aware sa mangyayari kasi ngayon ako graduate ng ABM. Nung pumasok ako ng campus, nakaramdam ako ng unity so that sumuporta ako sa department. Binigay ko yung sumuporta sa akin. Report ako, todo, ganit.
Tingin mo ba mananalo yung CPA?
I think, no, dahil ko
What do you believe are your responsibility as a student of primary college?
Thank you. I believe my responsibilities as a student of Primex colleges is to be supportive of my fellow student on my department, which is especially the College of Hospitality Management. Currently, right now, we are engaging the intramurals, and I believe that through supporting my fellow department can boost their confidence to fight for other departments. This is a friendly competition, so no hard feelings. I hope you all will enjoy this intramurals. Yun lang.
What was your primary motivation for pursuing?
Siguro yung motivation mo sa pagpaparticipate sa events. Yung grades na sinasabi ng teacher na pag daw nag-participate ka, may grades ka, may dagdag points. Pero nung nanonood ako ng events, so nagpa-participate ako ng events, natutuwa ko na yung mga players, hindi na para sa games yung ginagawa nila, kundi para sa passion na nila. So, ayun, parang ayun na din yung yung motivation ko para manood. Gusto ko makita yung mukha nila pag nananalo sila habang naglalaro.